Hello guys, welcome to Artist Box. Another day. Today we are going to make a beautiful greeting card. Actually I did this for Mother's Day. You can do it for any occasion you want. The materials needed are a greeting card that is made up of a chart paper. I'm just folding a chart paper, crayon box, some glue, a pair of safety scissors so that the kids also can do this, a set of compass if you need it. Actually it is not needed in this project, but if you have it, very good. Scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and an A4 sheet. Okay, the sheet should be, it can be A4 or it can be of a chart paper itself. So let's get started. First I'm measuring the size of the card so that I can make 2 layers of the card. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it into the correct size, and I'm going to see whether it fits inside the card. Actually there should not be, the edge should not come outside, so make sure that it is smaller than the card size, a little bit smaller, not too small, a little bit smaller. Okay, whatever may be the card size, you can have a gigantic card if you love the person so much. The size of the card is not important, but if you have so much of a bigger chart paper or something, you can do that. And the beauty of this chart greeting card is that you need not go in search for costly materials outside during this lockdown. Please guys, be safe, don't go and buy lot of things. Okay, so I'm just going to carve a semicircle, kind of a half of a heart shape in the inside of the chart paper, like the paper that we cut. Okay, so that in that way I'm going to just mark it in the center also. Make sure you don't cut in that marked area, okay, while cutting it out. That is, it should be stuck to the inside paper. Okay, so I'm just cutting it out till that mark. Yes, center point will be perfect. Okay, so now when you open it, the heart will be visible, but it will not be cut out. Okay, so let it be like this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to color this heart into different things. Okay, you can use paint if you have at home. You can use color pencils, you can use poster colors, you can use whatever paint or color things you have. If you have color papers, glitters, you can use that also to decorate the heart. My suggestion would be, try making greeting cards as much as possible, because those things are going to be there for a longer time than your WhatsApp messages and your gifts or whatever. Even for the kids, the parents can make cards. I think the 90s kids will remember the greeting card season. We used to go and buy lot of greeting cards depending upon the occasion: Diwali, Pongal, New Year, Christmas, Valentine's Day, birthday cards, beautiful cards. We used to spend lot of money on cards, because till now I have some of the cards saved in my diary that I got from my relatives and my friends actually. So I'm just writing, my mom is the best for my mom. So you can write whatever you want to write. If you feel the quote is, you can write happy birthday if you're gifting it to your friend, or a get well card, to give to your friend who might be sick or something. And it can be happy grandma's day, happy grandpa's day, anything. Happy Father's Day also, guys. It's not that only Mother's Day has to be celebrated. Since Mother's Day came on this time, I thought of making this card for the Mother's Day. And also my friend requested it for her channel also, so I just made this card for her channel also. So this is the inner part of the card that is ready. Now how to make it pop out, how to make the heart pop out? Just folding it like that. Yeah, can you see? Just push the heart from the back so that the folding of the heart is inside and you see this cut part outside. Okay, so now this part is ready. Okay, I'm just going to give some outline for the hearts and add some more hearts. You can add balloons, you can add flowers, whatever you want, but since it is going out to be the Mother's Day card, I'm just drawing hearts. Okay guys, you can stick color papers cut in different shape also if you don't like coloring, or I don't know who doesn't like coloring, but if you are like bored of coloring, you want something colorful here, so you can cut origami papers or color papers or magazine sheets that are very shiny, you know, those things also you can cut and you can stick it on this. So this is how you're going to fold it. Okay, so that is very important, guys. So this part is ready, the inner part. Now what we are going to do is we're just going to stick it inside the greeting card. Okay. Make sure you do not apply glue on the heart, the cut out part, because if you apply glue then it will stick into the greeting card. So make sure you don't apply any glue to the heart alone. Other than that, all the areas you can apply the glue and just stick it on the greeting card that is there. Okay. Now I'm just decorating the front of the card with some crayons. Here also you can cut out magazine covers or color papers or do any particular typical drawing. If you're very good at drawing and if you want to make it more exclusively beautiful, you can draw butterflies, you can draw whatever you want. You can draw flowers, you can draw sceneries on the front of the card to make it even more beautiful. Like here I'm just drawing some more hearts with the favorite colors of my mom. She likes all this blue, purple, bluish shade, so I'm just going to give the colorful things into that sort. You can give umpty number of colors over here. You can make a rainbow, you can make a rabbit, saying, holding a heart, whatever it is. So let us keep it simple here. I'm just giving you an idea. You can improvise on it how much ever you want. So I'm just making it like a balloon flying. And on top of that I'm going to write some more words, whatever that you want to write. And as you write it, I'm just giving you some tips. You can get it signed with your family members also, so that they also appreciate your work and the person to whom you are giving the card to. so that the person who gets the card feels very happy and satisfied at the end of the day. Okay, so this doesn't take much of time, so it is almost ready within 10 minutes, I suppose. So try this simple card, guys, so that do please like, share and subscribe the channel, and I expect you to try more and post some comments on the comment box, guys, so that I will know how you feel about the video, and please like it. So see you next time. Bye bye, guys.